Hello everyone, this is Firoz Ahmad and I am going to tell you why BC or AD is written before the date. Why BC or AD is written before the date. So in the place of AD sometimes C is written but BC is alone. So there is one important thing, that Jesus Christ. When the Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, when the Jesus Christ was born, the time is counted from here, one is counted forward and one is counted backward. Okay, so the date, the incident, the person, the building, whatever occurred after the birth of Jesus Christ, it is considered AD. And the thing which occur, the incident which happened before Jesus Christ, it is considered at BC. BC means before Christian era. Before Christian era. And AD. And AD means Anno Domini. It is a Latin word. It means in the time of Jesus Christ. Either CE, Christian era, means Christian time. So after when the Jesus Christ born, since then time is started CE or AD, and before it was BC. And next very important thing I am going to tell you, that have you seen today's date, 14/5/2020? Have you noticed? No, you have not noticed. So see, today I am going to tell you that Jesus Christ was born, when the time when the Jesus Christ was born, that is called 00 time, 0 year. And after 1 year it was called 1 CE. So let's come on the date. Today is 14/5/2020. Means today how many years over after the birth of Jesus Christ? So see, 2020 year. When the Jesus Christ was born on the earth, how many years are over? 2020 years are over, 5 months are over, and 14th day is going on. Means 2020 years, 5 months, and 14 days is going on. 14 days is going on from the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay? Everyone got? And take one more example of BC and C. Suppose if somebody asks you, if you tell answer, or somebody asks you when Ashoka was born. So Ashoka was born before 300. Ashoka was born 304 BC. 304 BC. So where it will come? Means this is Christ time. Jesus Christ time. 304 BC means before Christ. Before the Jesus Christ 304 years ago. Means he was born here, means 304 years ago. And if somebody asks you when Akbar was born, so Akbar was born in 1542 CE. 1542 CE means after the Jesus Christ, Akbar was born before 1542 years. 1542 years. Akbar was born after the Jesus Christ, 1542 years, 1542 years. But Ashoka was born before the Jesus Christ, 304 years. Hope you got this. Thank you.